So, the Rory has developed a bit of an issue where it is louder in the front than it is in the back. I don't like that. Take a listen. Yep, I'm getting my Honda on right now, so let's fix that. Okay, slide forward. Oh, what?
I got off both times, you just fall out. Like, seriously, you just fall out. And why are you not just falling out? That's why. Right here, you pipe. There we go. Well, that sucks. I hope they come with new gaskets. This is gonna suck ass. Alright. Let's go grab that new pipe. Because that pipe is nasty.
Alright, so after getting that oldness off of there, we got the new one offline. It's just an Amazon pipe. I should do something about that plastic because that's gonna burn when I start it up. But, or I could just let it burn off. Depends on what I feel like doing. You know what I'm saying? But, yep. Let's get this new hotness on there and see what she sounds like.
It looks good.
There we go. Now we sound less like the Tacoma and more like the Sienna. I'm not supposed to hear exhaust from the front at all. Hell yeah. Oh, Tim, man.